What's up guys, Mason here from M&gdubstep and welcome to another video. In today's video, it arrived. So I'm excited to open this thing. Sorry if I sound a little bit tired, I just woke up. So let's crack this open and see what it has to offer itself. I am actually personally really excited for this thing, not just use for the channel, but also just use for myself. So there you go. AUKEY 2-in-1 wide angle and macro lens. Awesome. It's got that slow opening like an Apple box does when you get a new product, like a new phone or iPad. So I get this little cool designed card. It says AUKEY down there in the corner. AUKEY 24-month product warranty. Thank you for choosing AUKEY, your key to friendly, responsive service and the widest selection of mobile tech upgrades. Your new product is covered by a 24-month warranty. Please visit blah blah blah. Need help? Contact us. Blah blah blah. All set. Enjoy the wonders of your new product. Clip your phone with the camera centered directly inside the lens.
You guys see that?
Probably not, but user manual. Screw any lens to the clip. Okay. And here is the lens itself. Got a good weight to it.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
But it says 2-in-1 wide angle lens, macro lens. So I assume, yeah, you push these two clips together, and there's the lens itself. That is the wide angle, and there's the macro. Really cool. Also, the macro has a little cover that comes with it too, on the other side of the macro lens, so it doesn't get dirty. Screwed on. Just set it there for a sec. Sorry if you hear that little crackling noise. That's my dog trying to fix her bed. She likes to fix it how she wants it. And then here is the lens clip. Cool. And also, looks like on the bottom, pull the styrofoam out. You look like you got a little microfiber AUKEY brand microfiber cloth, and this is the last thing, and that is your carrying case. Feels velvety, microfiber kind of feel. Cool. So now that we have opened the pretty much entire box, what do you say we get into some test pictures? So I forgot to hook the lens on to the clip itself. So let me just do that real quick, and then I will show you some tests. Okay guys, so now that I have the lens hooked onto the clip itself, focus. It's actually pretty big for my hand, so let's test this out. So this is no lens. No lens. Lens. So pretty cool. It's 140 degree, so it adds another 40 degrees to your wide type of view on your phone. So now that we've tested the wide, and I'll also include some sample photos in the end and not just video for macro and wide, but that was just the wide video test for right now. So let's get into the macro part. Another annoying thing, this is just one of the annoying things I've already found out within the past 3 minutes. I keep accidentally touching the lenses, and it gets, the oil from my fingers all over the lens, and it just gets annoying, and you have to clean it off. And I mean, that's lenses for you, but that's just a thing to note if you are going to get this product. Just note that that's very that's one of the things that you wouldn't want to deal with. So anyway, so let's test this out. So let's see how far my phone can get without focusing. Right there. About okay. Now let's put on this macro clip. Come on. So now this is with the macro clip on. Interesting. Is that image pretty clear to you guys? I mean, it looks so on my phone, it looks pretty clear. But wow, I'm impressed. Let me know in the comments down below if that looks pretty good. Because I was about right here, which is about there. That's how far above I was from, taking that little video shot. But that looked pretty cool, and I think I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna go take some sample photos and then just put them in. And then tell me what you guys think of them. If this was a good buy, I think so. I think it's a good buy. I'm gonna definitely use it a lot. The only downside is the plastic clip and then the metal housing for the lens. I think they could have at least put a metal clip. I think that would work a little better. But besides that, I mean, really great product. Carrying case, microfiber cloth. So let me just set this up, what you get in total. So this is all what you get. You get the box itself, you get a little card for warranty, instructions, microfiber cloth, 2 caps for each lens, one for the top side of the wide and one for the bottom side of the macro, and then this little styrofoam housing that it came within. This is it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button? And I just posted a video yesterday. If you want a shout out there, go follow the rules in the description and maybe you'll get a follow or a shout out. And I will start putting these pictures up with these lenses about right here. So after this will be the photos, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.